You can share.
There we go.
We're live tonight for the exclusive, ang inaabangan, inaantabayanan ng hindi lang ng UAE, sabihin ko.
Yes, sir.
It's a pleasure and honor to be with the one and only Khalifa Salem of UAE.
Thank you so much. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. buddy.
Good evening, everyone. And bati mo na, Idol Khalifa.
Shout out pala sa pamilya ng nanay ko sa Pinas at sa asawa ko at dalawang anak ko. And thank you also for all the support here in Qatar. Much love and respect.
Ayun, so habang sineshare pa natin, naghihintay pa tayo ng mga live viewers. Kumustahin muna natin, how was it, yung last experience mo with the just concluded GCC?
What happened here in Qatar, they made a good GCC league, and especially sa mga kababayan natin na nag-support sa lahat ng team na pumunta dito over GCC. It's a good experience and I love it here in Qatar.
And they love you also.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Ang dami. Siguro, yung mga nagpapaselfie sa'yo, hindi magkamayaw. Qatar fans, UAE fans, they're all rooting for you in that game. Ayun nga, habang nag-usap tayo kanina, can you share us a little bit more about yung challenges ng UAE going here? Kasi alam ko, hindi mahirap yung ginawa niyang laban.
Exactly, yeah, exactly.
Last GCC.
What happened is, it's a minor things that gone on there in UAE. We didn't practice well, and some players, they had problems with the visa and sponsorships and stuff. So, especially me, I was not allowed to go out from the new contract that I have with the team Bataya. But I did it for the sake of basketball, of Filipino.
For the love of the game.
Yes, exactly. So, yun po. We came here not ready. Some of our players are
Not ready pa yun, ha?
we're not completed. Yeah, we're not completed. We have 6 more good players that, tapos isang player namin na na-injured, isang captain ball namin na na-injured. Tapos, to be honest, for all of that, we just practiced like maybe twice.
Talaga?
Yeah, just twice.
Wow.
Yeah. And what happened here in the game, it's on the eye of the people. They know who's the real champ. And congratulations, Qatar.
Of course, yeah.
Yeah, congratulations. And lalo na sa mga kababayan natin na pumunta, syempre, thank you for the support that, lalo na sa brother ko si Jerry.
Andyan, nanonood
Exactly,
yun.
yeah.
Going back to that game, mag-usapan ng konti lang. I think, yun nga, even though you came up short, but the people loves you so much. You can see how they congratulate you,
Exactly, yeah.
how they get selfie with you. So, nakaka-proud pa rin, Khalifa, kumbaga, you feel proud with that moment.
Of course. Yeah. Syempre, I'm just being a humble player, Since the age of 7 years old, I was playing basketball. I played for the national team. I played in FIBA 8 times. I played in Jones Cup. So, of course, we give it for the fans. It's not just to show off the play.
Yeah.
Dapat kailangan natin gawin
Agree.
yan para sa fans rin. Para matuwa naman ang lahat. Siyempre, I need to encourage also the kids that who's, growing up. They need to idolize the people that they see who's good and show them a good potential on it.
Talaga. And I saw you on that game. I was there. Light yung, light yung aura mo.
Kasi po,
Oo, nakita kita. Right?
kasi, di ba, may laro, that's the final game, right? My flight was at 3 a.m. And when I came back to UAE, I just rest for how many hours? It's Ramadan. Same night.
Are you fasting that time?
Yes.
Oh.
But I broke my fasting because, I got some cramps and stuff. So, yun, nangyari. Yung problema, when I came back to UAE, I had no rest. Couple of hours straight, we went for the game. It's a knockout game.
So, di ba? Hindi alam ng mga viewers natin yon. Kita mo, Khalifa Salem was on a fasting with no water.
No water, yeah. I just broke my fasting because...
And you're playing a superb of a game. I think 3 straight or 4 straight 3.
yeah, exactly.
Oh my God. So, trivia yun, ha? Hindi ko rin namalayan yun. And, of course, ayun, sige, gusto ko yung marami nagtatanong sa akin, Khalifa Salem, how do you became a local player for the national team of UAE?
This is a short way to say it. It's I work my ass off. Sorry for my word. I really
Oo.
work off
Talagang hard.
hard. Yes, I practice morning and night.
Grabe.
But especially, I focus first on my schooling. From the age of 7 till when I was 13, I was the youngest player to be in the national team.
Your mother is the Filipina.
Yes, po.
Then,
My father is UAE,
okay.
local in UAE. So, the first game that I played was football.
Football.
Because of my father. Then,
Yun ang sport nila eh, no?
exactly. Yeah. Then, my mother pushed me. It's like, no, play basketball. Because, our family there in Philippines are all about basketball. So, I was like, okay, let me try it. Then I fell in love with the game.
Okay, so 7 years old, nagbabasketball ka na.
Yes, po.
Oh my God, that was so early.
Too early, yeah, too early.
Nagpapatintero lang yata ako noon, nung 7 years old ako. Wala ikaw, naglalaro ka na. So, ano yan, naging club player ka? Then,
Yes,
what's the next step after 7 years old, nag-game ka, you became a varsity?
Yeah. After 7 years old, they pushed me to play for the junior team, who was 16 years old. So on
Nung
that
16?
on that days, I was 13. I was the youngest player. Yes.
You were the youngest player to be a
Even in the
professional
national team,
player.
yeah, I was the
Wow.
youngest one to play for it. Nah, bro.
And how do you become part of the national team? That's what I want to know.
Part of the national team, just to be easy for all the basketball players. They know that, lalo na sa mga kababayan natin sa Pinas, syempre, how you will be in the national team if you didn't work on.
Yeah.
You need to play, you need to share the ball, you need to play for the team. That's the time that the coaches will take scouting on you.
Okay.
So, that's what happened.
Because I saw some clips of you, 2011, if I'm not mistaken,
Yeah.
against that Gilas program of GB Casio,
Exactly, yeah.
Mark Baroka,
And
under,
Jones
yes,
The Jones Cup, yeah.
you were there,
I was there, yeah.
right? And you are
Even,
the most flashy player that I've seen.
Yeah. Exactly.
You're there, right?
Yeah, I was there. I played against Team Philippines. Even I had a good contract that the national team of UAE didn't allow me to go, which is NU in Ateneo. They emailed my mom, even Alvin Patrimonio.
Wow.
Norman
He was
Black.
here last week.
Yeah, he knows me. Even Norman Black and Alvin Patrimonio.
There are many offers.
Yeah, they offered me in Philippines, but officially I cannot because of the national team here in UAE.
Because you are part of the UAE national team.
So I cannot go out.
Oh. Pero do you think it is a wise decision, career move?
For me, no. Kailangan ko talagang gawin yan para sa mga kababayan natin. Lalo na yung mga pamilya
Okay.
na side ng nanay ko. Sabi ko, kailangan na gawa ng gano'n.
Oh, I think they will be waiting for you. Kailangan natin. How many minutes do we have, guys? Huh? Take our time? Okay. Take our time. Okay, because I have many now watching him right now. Okay? Okay, playing for the national team, what is it? Ano yung isa sa mga masasabi mong you take pride playing for the national team of UAE?
Karga ko yung bansa natin, mga Pilipino. Yan ang pinaka number one sa akin.
That's why we are proud of you.
Ako, hindi ko tinatago na half Pinoy ako. Proud talaga ako na maging half Pinoy.
And we are happy for you.
Thank you so much. Yeah. So, being in the national team, as a rookie, I didn't have that minutes of time to play and stuff, but
You have to earn your minutes.
So that's what I did. I earned my minutes, I earned my spot. So, yun lang po.
Oh, may shoutout ka muna.
Shoutout sa mga referee natin kayo na.
Kapitan.
Kapitan.
And going back that national team experience, ano yung masasabi mo na medyo pinakamagandang run that you made on that run of the UAE in Asia Cup? Do you remember any special moment there?
My special moment is that how I built myself and I got proud of it. Like, siyempre, who doesn't want to play for the national team?
Yes, of course.
So,
Lahat dream.
exactly. So now, when I reached that point as being as a national player, parang gets ko na parang I reached my achievement.
Oh,
But I need to prove more.
still need more.
I need to prove more to play.
Really?
Not just to sit on the bench. Gets mo, di ba? Parang,
So talagang you're still working your...
yes, I keep working. Then, the age of 21, I got married. Naglaylo po muna ako sa national team kasi nag-focus mo. May baby na eh.
Okay.
Dalawang baby. I have my son Salem and my son Khalil. So, yun. But now, they keep contacting me na maglaro ulit sa national team. So, I'm going to give it one more shot.
Wow, that's good to hear. Again, ladies and gentlemen, Ali Pasalim for you.
And by the way,
Oo.
meron rin akong contract na hindi ko i-open kung anong club dito sa Qatar.
Ayan,
So,
ayan.
I might be here
Trivia.
in Qatar.
Oh.
I might be here. I might be here.
Sa mga nag-aabang kay Khalifa Salem, we might see him, pero
Exactly.
hindi pa sigurado. Pero yun nga, at least dito nyo nalaman yan, ha? Mga trivia yan. Kaya, Khalifa, okay. Going back, more of the question because they give me some time. Sino yung pinakamahirap? Ito, good question to.
Yes.
As a player na talagang tumatak sa'yo, na kapag kabantayan mo, oh, it will give me a hard time defending this player. Merong player na ganun eh. Yung,
Yes,
yung talagang para sa'yo, ang galing nito. Kailangan kong isurpass or kailangan kong depensahan siya.
Alam mo, this one, idol. Sa buong buhay ko na naglaro ako sa senior team, never ako nagbantay sa locals.
Okay.
Binabantay ko mga import, syempre mahirap yun. So,
So you are the defensive specialist.
not so defensive. Parang, syempre, I need to prove myself. Eh, yun ang gusto na mangyari sa coach. Coach, sige, ikaw na magdepensa sa...
Wow.
So, yeah. Pero if in all sa mga local, Said Mubarak is one
Mubarak.
of the legend player there in UAE and it's hard to guard. He's a
Really?
best point guard in GCC. Yes.
Oh my
He's
God.
known. Yeah, he's known.
Okay. There you have it. How about during the last GCC? Tingin mo sino yung doon sa Qatar? O, punta tayo ron. Sino doon yung naging para sa'yo hero ng game na yon na talagang nagbigay sa Qatar nung panalo? Isa lang.
Isa lang?
O sige, dalawa. Kung may dalawa ka naisip.
Casas, of course. But he was not on shape that time because he has cramp.
Ano yun, nag-cramp siya.
Yeah, nag-cramp siya. But he's one of a great player. I played against him like when he was still young.
Yeah, and now prime na, no?
He is prime. Yes, he's prime. He needs to prove more. You know, he needs to prove
Of course.
more. Yes. And syempre, I cannot face up sa mga ibang player. Yung sa akin lang, Team Qatar talaga. Did the
Okay,
best. Team
okay.
Qatar is good. Especially si Casas talaga. Kilala ko na si Casas. So, yun.
So shout out kay CJ.
Shout out sa'yo, CJ, brother.
Okay, most unforgettable experience during ikaw sa as a national team player and during the last GCC. Yung talagang unforgettable talaga.
My unforgettable game was the President Cup.
Yan.
We played double overtime against
Wow.
the undefeated team, who's Al Ali.
Oh,
My import and 3 of our players get out 5 fouls.
2 overtime.
2 overtime, and I am the one who took the game away from them. 5 years, hindi sila natalo sa mga championships.
So kayo lang.
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah. So I was proud of that game. I got the MVP. And I scored against them like 36 points. I got 12 3 points. So it's a good experience for me.
Oh my God.
Unforgettable because, sa mga anak ng Sheikh, lahat talaga nandun.
Nandun
Lalo na,
talaga.
especially sa mga kababayan natin rin na nanood doon. Shoutout pala sa inyo. Kilala niyo kung sino.
Ayan. So yun, President Cup, double overtime. How about the last GCC lang? Ito lang, itong OFW lang.
OFW, it's a good experience, but, if we were ready and the team was completed,
Siguro mas maganda pa.
it will be much hard for every team who will be against us. That's real talk.
Yeah.
Hindi naman ako
Tama yun.
hindi ako mag-show off kasi wala yan sa dugo ko na mag-show off o taas ng ilan.
And talaga namang ramdam namin yung humility nito. Alam nyo guys, sa totoo lang, ito, walang dalawang salita yan. Isang message lang, pwede ka ba sa page? Then, that's it. Oo, talaga.
Kailangan yan. Mahal ko talaga yung mga kababayan.
Grabe, oh. And sa lahat ng nag-aabang, ito na. So, kung meron kang sa sa live mo, kung
Yes.
baka meron ka dyan na, tingnan muna natin habang titignan ko pa yung mga next batch of question habang binigyan tayo ng time. Ayan, sabi ko sa'yo,
Shout
meron.
out from Kuwait. Jay Reyes. Yes, sir. To be
Madami
honest,
yata.
madami nga. Pero alam mo, idol, mostly talaga yung target ko is baka mag-open na ako ng academy sa UAE.
Yun.
Kasi kailangan ko yung parang sa mga bata.
Looking forward yan.
Sa mga bata na,
Watch out for that.
yeah, watch out. I'm going to make a good academy that ma-affect rin yung buong GCC talaga yung hawak ko.
Wow, looking forward.
Yeah, that's good for all the kids who are scouting to go Philippines or other countries. We will try to help on that one. I need kids to.
Ayun, so that will be the future
Yes, on the
for Khalifa Salem.
Kailangan
Okay.
yan. Shout out
Ah,
Khalifa. Jay Abot, Coach Jay Abot. Shout out pala sa'yo.
nandyan, oo.
Yes, sir.
Meron pa yan.
Ah, ang dami nga eh.
Sige, okay lang. Habang binigyan tayo ng time.
Shout out from Oman. Ang dami eh. Shout out pala sa pinsa ko si Jones. Nag-heart. So, any question, please
Oo,
ask.
habang binigyan tayo ng time. At
Don't worry, may part 2 pa na live kung gusto nyo, pwede rin.
okay,
Para
mag-request
we have
lang
more
kayo.
timing, more
Habang
timing.
nandito, ilang days ka pala rito?
5 days.
O, 5 days. So, sabihin nyo na, habang nandito, at ako na may malapit din lang, at tatakbuhin ko na. At kung si Idol Kalipan din nating lahat dito.
At shoutout pala sa Team Bataya, lalo na to, my Captain Ball, Walid, come here.
Can you come?
Come.
Yeah. He's the team captain. Okay.
He's our team captain. لا اتكلم انجليزي عادي. He's our team captain.
You say hi to the vlog.
He's one of the person that who fight for me to be in the team Bataya.
Wow, thank you.
Hi everyone, thank you.
So
Can you introduce yourself?
انت اتكلم عنك يعني.
ترجم لي يا اخي
زي شو يقول لك شو اسمك الكامل وهذا.
بالعربي كنا
لا انجليزي عادي.
ما اعرف اسال ولا
Hi, my name is
Hi, my name is Walid. I'm captain of
Bataya team.
Batayah Team Club. Okay, I appreciate to invite Khalifa in our team. I know he will help us and he will upgrade our team.
Exactly.
And I wish him to good luck with us, especially in playoffs.
Thank you, Captain. Captain. Yes, sir. We got it. We need to have some more champions now.
How good is Khalifa Salem as a player and, of course, as a friend to you?
First thing I will talk about him as a person. He's a great person. He's a great teammate. And as a player, no comment. his history talk about. Yeah,
Very kind as well. Very humble.
yeah, for sure. He's.
We invite
really
you guys
great
tomorrow. We have a game tomorrow. We wish that you can come and watch our game here. And what's the name of the court, Idol?
Al-Atiyah.
Yeah, Latia against Garrafa tomorrow. Garrafa, huh?
Yeah.
We play against Garrafa. We wish
No, against Sad.
Said, sorry, said.
Yeah, against Sad tomorrow.
We wish you guys to come and support us. So, abangan na lang yung part 2 natin. Magla-live kami na mas mahaba pa yung oras natin sa mga kababayan natin. Kasi wala na akong time. Shout out to Big Cat, Mr. Walid.
Thank you.
So,
Thank you, because I think the bus is going.
yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Thank you. Come to support us.
Yes, sir.
God bless everyone.
God bless.
God
Salamat
bless.
mga kababayan natin dito.
Step po kasing. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Yes, sir.
والله ما اقدر اجيب